show the bigger carrot that I have like this. Let me see how much of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I'm going to take them out now because they've been in it for a long while. So, never take them out. Now you can see that me and now shake up. Look at that. Look at that. So that is 1. Wow. Look at that. 2. 3. Oh wow, I moved too hard. I break it. I'm a little shovel there. I carry it, yes man. Okay, I'm a little shovel. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think I have a good one night, you know. So, let's show you some. I try to take it out. It's broken. I broke it. Never meant to. Just let go. It's way down. Okay, man, shall I break it again? Finish off the beds. Wow, look at that. And this one is a big one too, look there. My gosh. Wow. And then there's a next one. I thought it was 4. There's a next one around. Next side. Oh, let me fix back this. I'm actually show the dirt past these smaller ones coming up. I fix back the one I may bring the thing pan. And starting tomorrow, I'll be using my, I call it tripod, whatever it is, phone stand. I'll be using it to video to do my videos so that it will not be shaking all over the place. Yeah, and the next one now is this one. It look a little bit smaller than this, but I still take it out. See it? It's long. Now you tell me now. You tell me, Drenko people. Have you reap all of this from your garden? Look at that. You tell me now. I am so, and this one is so long. Sorry that I broke it. Got broken. So this is just 5 of them from my garden. And you look at the rest of them looking so luscious. Those that we did, that I show you in demonstration with the pan, where the container we shake it out. I don't see anything coming up yet. But we're going to continue. I don't know if the seed, if they are old, because sometimes that is what happens. So look on it. So, and these are coming on nicely. Nicely, nicely, nicely. The other day I showed, I watered it with some chicken manure. Yeah, I try to take out the bush. So pretty, yeah, man, beautiful. And this tomato tree looks strong and nice. So the spot, I don't say anything yet. So I show you, I don't say nothing yet. This is 1 and 2 things, but I think I'm not sure if they don't really look like it's carrot. So, and this is the other side. But I pray that they do. If they don't, when it's below again, after a new pack of the golden prince, I'm going to plant some of that and try it. See how it looks. Look at this worm catch up inside. See me I talk about? Look at the worm. Anyway, have yourself a blessed day. Remember to everything, put God first. Peace. Shalom.